Make your cleaning simple and hassle-free with the standard cordless leaf blowers, which are powerful yet environment-friendly and easy-operating power tools to clean your lawn or backyard. Besides, there are numerous benefits that a leaf blower can deliver which are worth your every hard-earned money. So, in today's video, we will show you the 7 best cordless leaf blowers that can easily clean up all of your leaves and debris faster than raking without putting in much effort. So, without further delay, let's get into the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Starting with the Ego Power Plus LB6151, an advanced cordless leaf blower that is packed with the newest technologies and power to add enhancements to your tasks. Its brushless motor offers low vibrations and long motor life, while the turbine fan engineering and advanced aerodynamics technology ensure better performance than gas-driven blowers. Airflow speed can be adjusted between 200 and 480 CFM through the lock-on speed control dial on the blower. And when you need more power, simply activate the turbo mode and get up to 615 CFM of airflow. With the high-efficiency 2.5 amp-hour 56-volt ARC lithium battery, this blower offers you a spectacular runtime of up to 75 minutes per charge. Moreover, this leaf blower comes with an ergonomic design, meaning you can get superb comfort and balancing while operating. Shortly speaking, the Ego Power Plus LB6151 is one of the most advantageous cordless blowers to make your lawn clean effortlessly. Next up, we have the Toro 51820, a powerful machine that outshines others for its longer life, ergonomic design, and trouble-free operations. Including a 3-phase brushless motor with Run Smart onboard intel, it catches 0 to 120 miles per hour speed in only 1.3 seconds and delivers up to 605 CFM of stunning air volume. With the PowerJet technology, this blower offers you variable speed control and a turbo boost button, making it an aerodynamic beast like no other. Having a 60-volt battery with FlexForce power system, this blower improves performance by ensuring more power, runtime, and longevity. So, if you want an ergonomic blower with enough satisfying features that bring easement to your cleaning, then the Toro 51820 is worth checking out. Powerful, high-speedy, and sustainable. Meet the Greenworks 2419502 VT, a durable leaf blower that provides a huge CFM and delivers outstanding speed to complete your tasks quickly. With a proficient brushless motor, this blower delivers up to 700 CFM of huge air volume at a superior 170 miles per hour speed to clean debris, wet leaves, and many more. Powered by an interchangeable Pro 60-volt lithium-ion battery, it provides long-lasting power and reliability and allows you to use it in other Greenworks Pro 60-volt tools. It has a variable speed trigger, cruise control, and turbo button for maximum performance and air control, while the jet fan technology improves its performance even more. Furthermore, the light and ergonomic design makes it easy to use for long periods of time without getting your hands tired. To conclude, with massive power, enormous speed, and spectacular features, this leaf blower can meet all of your satisfaction. Now get introduced with the WG543 from WORX, a convenient leaf blower that comes at a low price tag while offering a lightweight and compact build quality to amplify your cleaning jobs. Coming with an efficacious brushless motor and sonic turbine fan technology, it delivers up to 410 CFM forceful air volume at 130 miles per hour speed, meaning you can get fast blowing with ease. This leaf blower features a 20-volt 4.0 amp-hour battery. As a result, you can get a longer runtime and powerful cleaning. One of the unique features of this blower is its variable air control nozzle, which lets you choose high air volume or speed to complete different tasks. Being ultra-lightweight and having an ergonomic design, you will get a better user experience and conclude your operation without muscle fatigue. In short, this cordless leaf blower is super handy and has decent speed, which can be the best purchase for you. Complete your regular leaf blowing with the DEWALT DCB L7 22B, an innovative cordless leaf blower that has many robust features with the highest runtime while blowing or sweeping leaves. This handheld blower includes a brushless motor that delivers up to 450 CFM of air volume at up to 125 miles per hour speed, with a concentrator nozzle to clear debris, leaves, and all. Having a powerful 20-volt battery, this blower can provide up to 87 minutes of superior runtime on a single charge. It comes with an innovative axial fan design to maximize the air output and runtime even further, while producing only 66 decibels of low noise when using it. Furthermore, the ergonomic lightweight design offers you easy control and arm movement. Low in price but high in specs, the DEWALT DCB L7 22B leaf blower offers compact and lightweight, which makes it an excellent value for money option to get. Have you ever faced sound issues during leaf blowing? Then your worries will be over, because today we have the Ryobi P2-1100, a noiseless leaf blower that comes with standout features to provide you with neat cleaning with less trouble. The crowning feature of this blower is its Whisper Series technology that makes it the industry's quietest handheld blower at only 54 decibels, meaning you will get a noiseless performance with enough power. It includes a powerful 18-volt 4-amp-hour battery, which delivers 410 CFM of air volume at 110 miles per hour to clean the lawn, yard, or front areas of your house. Moreover, it has a variable speed trigger to control the speed per need, while the jet fan technology increases the air volume to do tasks quickly. Therefore, this blower will properly meet your needs, since it is built with the latest technology and quietest engineering. Milwaukee is one of the prominent brands of America, which have been making standout and worthy power tools for a long time. Now meet its 272420 M18, a compact and lightweight leaf blower with robust features to improve your cleaning jobs. With the red lithium high-output XC 8.0 battery, this superior blower delivers 450 CFM of air volume and 120 miles per hour output, meaning you can blow your debris and leaves with ease. It comes with a power-state brushless motor and Red Link Plus technology. As a result, you'll get enough power to clear from 15 feet and full throttle in under 1 second. Weighing at only 4.9 pounds, this Milwaukee leaf blower can assure you a good grip and comfortable operations without hand fatigue. Considering its lightweight design and brand value, this blower is an excellent value and has all the features that you are looking for. So, that was our list of the 7 best cordless leaf blowers just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this in your feed.